My adventure begins by taking the Great Barrier Reef Drive from Cairns through many different landscapes until I arrive at the World Heritage listed Daintree Rainforest. This is my home for the next few nights, camping at Safari Lodge. After a good night's sleep in our swags, it's time to grab a coffee at the Turtle Rock Cafe. Today's an exciting day as we are about to head out to the Great Barrier Reef for a morning of snorkeling. After we check in and collect our boarding passes, there is a safety briefing before we make our way down to the beach. We board the vessel directly from the beach. We had a little bit of a swell that day and making it for an exhilarating ride to our reef location, but boy, it was loads of fun. After we are suited up with our provided masks and fins on, it's time to get into the water. The Great Reef is full of diverse marine life where the giant clams are king. We saw batfish, blue starfish, feather stars, a turtle, unfortunately I missed that one to film, and plenty of Nemos. We enjoyed exploring the vibrant healthy coral gardens. Safari Lodge is a great campground with large spacious campsites and also cabins. I highly recommend you stay here if you're going to head out on the Great Barrier Reef with Ocean Safari. There's a lovely pool to take a dip in, large camp kitchen with everything you need, a pool table, and even a designated chill-out zone. Cape Tribulation is a few hours drive from Cairns and the Great Reef is 20 kilometres offshore. There is so much to see at this beautiful reef site. It didn't matter if there was a little bit of motion of the ocean. We had a fantastic time mermaiding out. And I have to say, the Great Reef is the best place to find mermaids. You need a decent level of mobility for this tour and be comfortable boarding via the water and getting back on from the water. Reach out to the Ocean Safari team for more information. And in closing, this day on the Great Barrier Reef wouldn't have been as awesome if it wasn't for the amazing staff. From the cafe, check-in and on board. Thanks guys, you rock. This has been a Taz Reinholz production for the Cairns Tour Compendium. Book now at Reef Info.